Apps that pay you to watch videos free and easy. What's going on? My name is Andre. If this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. I talk about how to make money online affiliate marketing. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to show you how you can make way more money than what I'm going to share with you right now. So apps that pay you to watch videos free, easy. So we're going to dive into things right away. So this is my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. So that way I can create videos for you so you can then use that information and then apply it. So this is my YouTube channel. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. It's so good for you to keep supporting me time and time again. So I always create value, a lot of gem, so that way you can go out there and you could crush it. So I always like to give you a humble advice. Please make sure you stick to one thing, get some really good results out of it before you hop to the next thing. Because I know sometimes YouTube is so much information, you get confused, you're all over the place, and you don't know exactly what to do. So make sure you stay focused, stick with it, stay with it till you get some results. I'm not saying you can't do multiple things, but make sure your main focus is on one thing. So apps that can pay you money just by watching videos, free and easy. Now, the first app that I'm going to share with you is an app that is called Perk TV. So perk.tv, you could type it in. If you come on here, they will pay you money just by watching videos. So how do these companies make money? Because on these videos, there are ads. So if you look at the top here, this is an ad right here just flashing across the top of the screen. And sometimes when you watch some of these videos, what's going to happen, you will see an ad pop up. So once you do that, you look at the reward section, Perk Rewards, and you could just put your email address in, put your password, you could sign up. You could get like gift cards, or you can get paid directly with PayPal. So it is good. They got a lot of offers, and there's popular videos, there's apps. If you scroll through here, you could see a tons and tons of videos that you could do. So you could download the app, and once you download the app on your phone, because it's free and it's easy, you could start to make money with it. Now, the next app that I'm going to share with you is Inbox Dollar. Inbox Dollar, just to sign up, you get a free $5 bonus. So you put your email address in, and you get paid just by watching videos. You also can get paid just by taking surveys or shopping or cash offers. So if you look on here, you can earn cash for every online activity. So you can watch this video right here. How does it work? Brands pay us to consume input. That's how they make money. We recruit members like you. You do online activities like paid surveys, paid videos, TV, all that kind of stuff. And then you earn cash, not points. So they're not going to send you points. You're going to make real money. So you'll earn free cash just by doing that. So as I mentioned before, just to sign up, you can get paid. And some of these surveys take anywhere from like 3 to 25 minutes. And sometimes they can pay anywhere from like $5, $10, or even $20 just by doing that. So make sure you come through, you sign up for this. And they're a part of the Better Business Bureau. So they've been around for a long time. So this is an app that you need. So make sure you download it and you could get started right away. Next app that I'm going to share with you is App Trailers. You make money just by watching videos on this. So that's how you make money. And if you scroll through here, some of these, you can earn these great gift cards, and then you can use them. So if you click into the Apple Store, it will take you over to the Apple Store. You will see a bunch of different reviews from different people, what they have to say. Indeed, the app is free. As I mentioned, there's a 4.3 star rating out of 5. So that's not bad. That's pretty good. So of course, there's going to be some things that people don't agree with on the app, and you can even put it on your iPad as well. So that is super cool. And they also have a Google. So for the Google, there's like a 3.8. Lots of reviews. This review just came in. If you look right here, this person right here, this was in June 23, 2019. This has been a good app for me. Sure, there have been some times when the app does not work for a while, or some of the videos don't give me points, but I let it run for a while, and then I'm doing other things. I'm literally getting free points, eventually free money for doing nothing. So as I said before, some of these apps, you could just set them, you let them run, you collect your points, and it's not something that you have to monitor. You could just sign up for it. It's free, easy, and then you do nothing. Just let the video just keep playing. Let the videos go downstairs, do your laundry, cook some food. Let it just let it run. That's what I'm trying to say. Feature points is another great way how you can make money just by watching videos. So this is another great app, I should say. Come on here, you can download the app, you earn some points, you share it with friends, you redeem your awesome rewards, and you get money for this. So right here, share future points and you get paid up to 50% every time you share this with friends. So the good thing with this, and it doesn't matter, you can use their affiliate programs. That's what they call you, share with friends. Sign up for it. And even if it's not in your country, you can go to different groups, forums, Twitter, and you could start to post these. Now, most people just go about it the wrong way. They just start putting links everywhere. You want to create a post, which is called an engagement post. Anyone want to learn how to make, $5 or $10 or $20? Comment info. People want to know how to do that. So you send them this and say sign up for this. It's a free app. You're not collecting any money. People like free. Who doesn't like free? But free is good. But if you want to make big money, it's not going to be free. You got to learn a skill that's going to help you get you to where you want to go. But you can use these apps, make some money while you're doing your thing. And then you could take this money to fund your existing business or your bigger business. This is the homepage of wiggletv.com. It's another great place that you can come. There's tons and tons of video. It goes hand in hand with Perk TV. They're basically like the same thing. You share this with other people, and once you share it, you can also earn points from them, and you can earn a commission. So for a lot of people that are going to college or in your workplace, or if you don't have a job, maybe your family, your community, somebody, you can then start to share this app, but make sure you give them your link so that way you can get the benefit and you can get the reward. So those are the apps that you can make money just by watching videos, free and easy. You can get started. And some of these apps, you absolutely don't do anything. So you could press play on the video and go check it later. So if you're looking for my number one recommendation, if you're looking for something that could bring you some more money, something that's going to change your life, something that is going to help not only you, but your family members as well, right? Maybe you need to get some new shoes. Maybe you need to, move out and try to find a better place. Maybe it's you want to quit your job. You want to get rid of the 9-to-5. I don't know what it is. Maybe you want to take more vacations, right? Check out the link in the description. I'll send that over to you so that way you can learn more about what I'm doing and how I become a full-time online marketer. This is what I've been doing for 2 years since we found out we were pregnant, and I said, I got to find a way out. My wife has been a full-time online marketer, and I too is a full-time online marketer. So this is what we do. We love what we do. So make sure you guys add me on Instagram, right? Make sure you check out my stores, and you could see behind the scenes of exactly what our day-to-day life is. It's pretty hilarious. It's pretty funny. And if you want to laugh, check it out. So add me on Instagram, and you can follow me on Instagram. Make sure you get involved and give me a shout out. Let me know that you came from YouTube. So that way I know you were watching my YouTube videos. All right. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.